Back to another video, and today we're going to be messing with this. Now I made previous videos in the past, like a couple of days ago, but they messed up, as you can see here. What happened was this. The whole throttle cable system messed up. Whatever that spring is called the governor spring, but it's really not. This spring that returns this kind of makes the car go. Well, I didn't think y'all liked that very much, and then I was going to go back and make another video of me taking the engine off and everything on the frame and whatnot and painting it. Well, it started raining. Later, Monday, I don't have no school. I have football practice today. About 5 o'clock, Labor Day. I finally got to it. I'm really happy to do. I'm going to paint the frame black. Maybe some red touches here and there, but probably mostly black. I don't know yet. I'm primarily focusing on taking everything off so I can paint it, and I gotta grind it down and everything. I'm really happy to make this video because it's some good content I can get to y'all, and y'all wanted some more content. A little update on this bike. It's 45 years old. They made them 1971 to 1979. So it's probably 1977 to 1979, but I think it's a 79 because it has a 79 engine on it. And the reason why I know it was a 77 to 79 was because that's when they put kill switches on it. Here's the original like advertisement picture. Here is it now. Well, you can see it. That came a long way. Y'all might be like, oh, it's a bad shape, but if you really think about it, it's in really good shape to be like 50 years old. Some adjustments to it. So that's a plate welding that is welded on. That's a non-factory seat. Make the seat longer. And that's a plastic tank with a weird cap. I don't know what's up with that cap. It used to have a big plastic right there, but it don't no more. But it really don't matter. It used to have a guard right there for the chain. It has back fender, but does not have a front fender. It really is to be 50 years old, even though it breaks. It broke first day I had it. It's really good shape. I'm probably going to fix everything that needs to be fixed on it, but thinking the throttle thingamajigger, will be fixed. To be in somewhat good shape. I like the rims on it. Nice look. I like them. I just want something that's, a little fun for the channel. Let me let you in and let's get into the video. I hope y'all can see me. If y'all don't, it really don't matter because we're going to go on a little, what do you call it? A little, speed ride. Hard with it. Look at this engine. Beautiful, dude. 45 years old and still runs. Beautiful. So, I just shot the video, and Aiden's bike rigged it up where, I guess, because like he has the kill switch connected to this thing, not to this, and it makes this whole thing sharp. It's kind of weird. It's funny though. Alright, now, next thing we're going to do is take the gas tank off in the seat. Well, that's as far as I'm going for right now. I'm tired. I got school in the morning. Stay tuned for next weekend. Out. What's up, y'all? It's about a week later, and I'm thinking about taking the weld off and all the wires and whatnot and paint it. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to put the frame correct. Let's go, y'all. All red. Let's go. I'm gonna paint the handlebars black. Paint the pegs black. Wheels gonna be black. Fenders gonna be black. It's gonna be all black. So, but all red at the same time. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a couple hours. And we're gonna paint it back black. Alright, I'll catch y'all back when this is all dry.
2 hours later.
So my phone died, and I couldn't wait for my phone to charge, but I painted that, painted the rims, everything painted, that's painted, this painted, painted that, plus now, I left these black, I left that red because that's the brake, like red and black, 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 black. I'm gonna keep the stock engine on it for now, but I don't know. I really don't know how long I would keep it on there for. So, yeah, because this is all confusing. The muffler kind of went off, as you can see. No good. I'm gonna tell you I painted it too. Alright, since we got everything painted, let's put everything back on. Let's get it. My phone died and it cut off. So here's this little video of after everything got put on and whatnot. Looks good. Before you watch any farther, subscribe and leave a like.
Alright, I'm back. A week later, I fixed the mini bike. I got the throttle working and it's running. It's driving. It sounds wonderful, y'all. So let's get into it. This is absolutely wicked. I love this thing, man. But unfortunately, I'm going to sell it. Because of good cause. I'm getting a go-kart. And I think I'm going to be a little bit more safer. And it's probably going to be a little bit more fun on a go-kart than this little death trap that's 45 years old. Even though I made it look sexy and made it look 20. Okay. But somebody's going to come buy it. And probably next weekend, I'm going to go buy the go-kart. I like this thing. But I think the go-kart's going to be better. Like I said, I'm selling it tomorrow. So let's ride it when we can. You know what just happened? No, I just tried to do a wheelie and it said, knocked me off of it. That thing went up like something. It just went up, okay? And I kind of hurt myself. Whew. Feeling that one in my knee and my leg. I'm gonna be feeling that at practice. So let's put the camera back up and start riding again, even though I just kind of failed. As you can see. Secret, don't tell nobody I did that. Kinda got out of hand. Alright. Alright, I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification thingamajigger if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? If you like the video, and if you want to see more like this, the next video is more likely going to be a go-kart. More likely it's going to be a go-kart, barn find, or whatever you want to call it. We're going to fix it up and ride that next. I'm going to sell this tomorrow, and catch y'all.
What's up? Sell the mini bike he just rebuilt, did a good job. He took it apart, repainted it, got it running good, making some money. American made, baby. American made.
Just sold it for $108. Time to buy the go-kart. Let's go. Here is a little sneak peek of the go-kart I am getting. It looks like it has snake skin like seats. The thing wrong with it is, yep, I'm kidding you. You gotta check out the next video to see. Poorboy out.